Hello. Till now we have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 6 from practice set 1.1 in our previous videos. Now let's see how to solve question number 4 and 5 based on the same concept betweenness. Okay. So what is given in this question? On a number line, points A, B, C are such that distance between A and C is 10 and distance between C and B, it should be comma between C, B is 8. Find distance between A and B considering all possibilities. So how many points are there? There are 3 points A, B and C. What we have given? We have given distance between A and C, distance between C and B. Okay. And we have to find distance between A and B. This distance we have to find considering all possibilities. So what are the possibilities? Let's see. So from this information, let's draw a rough figure. First, that suppose this is a number line and AC is 10. Say AC, this distance we have say 10 units. Okay. Now what is the another information we have with us? That distance from C and B is 8. Now it is not given that where that B exactly lie. Now B can lie either on the right side of the C, means after this. So in this case, suppose B is lying somewhere here, case 1, suppose we are talking, and suppose this is 8, in that case what will be distance between A, B? Certainly, here we have to add this 10 and 8 to get it A and B, it means 18. So this can be the first situation. Let's write this. So we will write that first case, that if betweenness is A dash C dash B, then what is the distance between AB? Distance between AB is going to be, which are the 8 points, is equal to distance between A comma C, AC plus distance between CB. Okay, so this is what? 10 plus 8. It is going to be 18. With the help of figure also we have understood. So this is going to be, this we have to find, and it is nothing but it is going to be 18. This is the first case. What is the another case? It is not required that B should lie on the right side. It can lie on the left side also, see. Okay. So second situation, with the help of figure, if you want to understand, say AC is 10, this distance is 10, and C is lying on the left of the point C. Then instead of going to right, we can come here, and from here 8 distance, which is smaller than here somewhere. Here it can be, our B can lie, and this distance can be 8. Now 10 is bigger, 8 is smaller, so B will be somewhere in between. And in such case, what will be this AB distance that we have to find? We can observe and clearly understand that this is 10, and if we are coming back 8 distance, this distance is remaining 2. So how can we write? So we will write, if betweenness is A dash B dash C, A dash B dash C, then distance between AB, now it is not the longest distance A and B, it is the smaller one. So we need to subtract this BC from the longest distance AC. So distance AC minus distance BC. So these figures will help you to understand whether we need to add or subtract the given distance. My dear students, many times geometry becomes difficult to us because we have nothing in front of us. So it becomes difficult to understand that which is not in front of us. So it is always recommended that you have to draw whatever it is given in the question and try to figure out what we have given and what we have to find. This will be very helpful to you when you try to draw figures like this. So here AC is what? 10 minus 8 is going to be 2. So what are the all possible distance between AB is either it is 18 or 2. This will be your answer. You can write this answer in words in the answer statement. Now similar question, one more question we have, question number 5. If x, y, z are collinear such that x, y is 17, y, z is 8, then we need to find xz. Now let's see, here though it is not mentioned considering all possibilities, still we have to consider all possibilities. because we have not given definite betweenness. So we need to see this possibilities. Let's draw the rough figure. If xy is say 17, okay, this distance is given to us 17. What is another point? YZ. Okay, so xy is starting with y. Now z either can be on the right side of y or it can be to the left of y. And this distance is z. If we take the first situation, if it is on the right side, say somewhere here, it is say z and this distance is 8. In such case, we can, to get the xz, we have to do that addition. 17 plus 8. We will get the answer by adding whatever 25. Let's see, this is the first situation. So if we write, if x between y and then z, x dash y dash z, means y is between x and z. In that case, distance between xz is sum of distance between xy. This is exactly same. Okay, so distance between y, z. So it is 17 plus 8, it is 25. Okay, this is one answer. And what is the other possibility? Let's see from the figure again. X, y, it is 17 and suppose y is on the left side and this distance is 8, smaller than 17. So it can come somewhere here. It can be here z, y, z is 8. In that case, what is xz? So this bigger distance 17, okay, and this is 8. So 17 minus 8 will give you answer by subtraction 9. So if this betweenness is x dash z dash y, z is between x and y. In that case, the distance between x z is going to be difference x y minus distance between y z. Whenever it is distance, you should put commas in between. Whenever it is length, no need of putting commas in between these two letters. So this is xy 17 minus 8. Subtraction is going to be 9. So these are the possible distances of distance between x and z. So these both conditions or possibilities we have to consider when the exact betweenness is not given in the question. Thank you. And one more thing, students, there is one small question 7. When 3 points are not collinear, which figure it will form? You know the answer. It's very easy. You can find it your own. Thank you.